today is about intentional management of energy, not just reactivity, but actually planning in advance how we're going to curate, how we're going to manage this energy.
This is a really important strategic initiative for us at Messe Frankfurt Middle East. We see the potential in so many of the females that we have in the business, and we want to make sure that we've created every opportunity for them to develop and to grow.
This workshop has been extremely insightful. There was definitely a sense of sisterhood in the room when all of us women from the company got together and spoke about what it means to maintain our energy and our well-being. And we received a lot of insights, especially the topics which we have discussed in terms of identifying the rocks at work and even outside work.
These sessions have helped me realize and helped me with the tools and approaches of managing conflicting priorities effectively, navigating difficult conversations with ease, and setting healthy boundaries in principle.
Thanks to Sandra for hosting today for us, specifically learning about managing our own energy and how to protect it, which is just really important, especially with how busy we all are.
It's really important that we protect and set boundaries in order to make sure that we're always performing at our highest.